girls.
Good morning, Miss Davis.
Okay, we're going to continue talking about polygons, and our standard for this section is Math MCC G1. Recognize and draw shapes having specified attributes. Now, what are attributes?
Shape.
You tell us about them?
Shape.
Okay, we're going to start off with math talk. I have a problem. I'm sorry. Okay, we're going to talk it out together. What strategy are we going to use?
Addition.
Addition. Okay, I'm going to give you a minute to think about it. When you get your answer, put your hand over your chest like this. Marsha, what's your answer?
562. 562.
562. Karima, what's your answer?
562.
Cedric, what's your answer? Okay, we have 3 people that came up with the same answer. Let's see if we get the same answer that they did. Now, again, what's our strategy?
Addition.
What's the first thing we're going to do?
Go to our one column and add 8 plus 4. That is 12.
What am I going to enter? Okay. Now, what are we going to do? Okay, let's say that again. Let's try to say it together. We're going to go to our tens column, and what are we going to do?
Add 4 plus 4 equals 5. 5 plus 1 equals 6.
What am I going to do?
Enter 6.
Okay, now where are we going?
Go to the hundreds column and add 3 plus 2. That is 5.
And our answer is?
562.
And when we're adding, our answer is called the
Sum.
The sum. Now, can we write this in expanded value?
Yes.
Okay, how do we write it in expanded form?
500 plus 60 plus 2.
Very good. Very good. Okay, we're going to do one more, and then we're going to move on. Let me see. Okay, take a minute to think about it. When you get the answer, put your hand over your chest. Okay. Karima? Excuse me? 2 what? 226. All right, one more. Cedric. 236. All right, we got to work with this one. Okay, now we have a variety of answers up there. Okay? Now we're going to work through this one to see if we come out with the same thing that they did. Now, what's our strategy we're going to use? Subtraction. Now, one thing I can see from using subtraction, if we add these two, we know that that's going to be out of the question. But we're going to find out, okay? What's the first thing we're going to do?
Go to the ones column and subtract 0 from 6.
We're subtracting what?
0 from 6. You have to do that. So I have to borrow from my tens column.
Do I have to borrow anything?
No.
What is it?
6.
6. Okay. Now what are we doing?
Go to our tens column and subtract 2 from 0.
what does this become?
10.
Okay, now what are we going to do? And what's the answer?
8.
Okay, now,
Subtract 3 from 4.
what's the answer?
100.
What's our answer?
186.
And subtraction, the answer is called the
Difference.
difference. Do we have this answer over here anywhere?
No.
Okay, so we came out with something different. Okay, now let's review our lots. I see a ball. What can you tell me about a ball, Brooklyn?
The ball is rounded curved.
Okay, I see angles. What can you tell me about angles, Marshall? Okay, and what are they shaped like? You know they're angles because they're shaped like a angle? Okay, all right. Vertices, vertices. Karima, what can you tell me about vertices?
Vertices can be on triangle.
Okay, how many vertices are on a triangle?
3.
Very good. Okay, now boys and girls, we're going to go to our video. Remember, we're continuing to talk about polygons. Okay, we're going to stop right there, boys and girls. Now, what is a polygon? It tells us what?
The name of the shape.
And with the polygons, they have are made of what? What kind of lines? Lines that connect. Lines that connect. Now, we're going to do a circle map. So our new shape that we're going to talk about today is a pentagon. Okay? Now, what can you tell me about a pentagon? Tana, go around cup. Cedric, what can you tell me about a pentagon?
It has
5
5 sides.
sides. Okay. Hannah, consequence. Karima,
It has
5
5 vertices.
vertices. Demarion, It's a 2D shape. Very good. Now what does 2D mean? Two-dimensional, 2D shape. Okay, call someone else. Jose. It's a polygon. Call someone else. Janaya. Straight lines. Okay, very good. Okay. Okay, this one looks like a house. Okay. Now, at this time, boys and girls, I want you to get your journals out because we're going to continue writing in your journals about the shapes. Now, while you're getting your journals out, did we discover anything new about the pentagon that we can add to our language of standards? What did we discover new? 5 vertices. Okay, we have vertices up there. We have a polygon. Okay. Well, we'll put the word polygon right here and we'll add it to it, okay? Now, today is the 6th, February 6th. So we're working on the third shape, which is the pentagon. The pentagon. Now, let's look at this pentagon. Yes. Okay. Yes, sweetie. Yes, that page right there. Okay. The first column says model of the shape. So in the first column, you're going to draw a model of the shape. And we're doing the pentagon. Are there any other attributes that you can tell me about the pentagon? Once you look at your other shapes, are there any other attributes that you can tell me about the pentagon?
Pentagon has 5 angles.
5 angles.